This next video is going to be a bit unorthodox just because I didn't feel like putting the fan on the ceiling, fully assembling it. But I wanted to show off the LEDs that I found play the best with Casablanca Comfort Touch. So these are all Philips WarmGlow LEDs. Two of these are the standard WarmGlow, which I've shown off in videos in the past. And two of these are the new style ultra definition WarmGlow. Interestingly enough, they're the same price, at least at the Do It Best Center that I frequent, that I bought them from. But yeah, take note of the difference between how they light and how they dim. I'll take them down to the lowest setting so you can see that. I'm sure I've mentioned it before, but these are my absolute favorite LED bulbs for dimming. And it's easy to see why. Of course, very good smoothing, no strobing, no flicker. Now I'll let you see the safe exit, how they play with that. And of course they shut fully off. There's no afterglow. So yeah, that's all I wanted to show off.